They say men can't do no-bake desserts. Well, I'm here to prove them wrong. We're starting with a whole package of golden Oreos. We're gonna throw them in our food processor. And we are going to get them down to some fine little bits. All right, now that we got that chopped into fine bits in our food processor, make sure and take your trusty blade out. And you're gonna put most of these over on your 9x13 baking dish here. You wanna leave a little bit for the very end of the recipe. So don't use all of it, but most of it is going on the bottom here. All right, we got that spread on the bottom, and we got 1 stick of melted butter. We're gonna pour over that. Every little bit counts. And go ahead and just get the butter mixed in. All right, so we got that nice and smooth on the bottom. We're gonna throw this in the fridge and let it chill while we're doing our next part. To make our creamy layer, we're gonna throw in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and also 1 stick of softened butter as well. And then go ahead and beat those together. All right, now that you got that nice and beat together, we're gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then get that beat together. All right, we got that well beat together. And then we're gonna put in 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, really well drained. Like, you wanna get as much of the water out of there as possible. Otherwise, this part's gonna be too watery. So you wanna drain it very thoroughly. Okay, get all that out of there. And then just get that folded in to that creamy mixture. Okay, we got that good and folded together. That's looking good. What do you think, sweetie?
I'd eat it just like that.
I think I would too. Let's bring our crust back that we got out of the fridge, and we're gonna put that mixture over the top of it. Go ahead and get that smooth. Oh, look how easily that's just going over that crust. Next, we're gonna bring over an 8-ounce container, Cool Whip. Put that over the top of this layer. Try to get that evenly spread. Nice and spread evenly over the top. We're gonna bring in some coconut flakes. Now, I know some of y'all are not a fan of coconut, so you can just leave this out, but I think with pineapple desserts, coconut can go pretty good. You can also do toasted coconut as well over it. Just get that spread. And then finally, we're gonna take some pineapple tidbits and just kind of spread them around. All right, we got those on there, and then we're gonna bring back that fine crumbled golden Oreo that we're saving from the beginning. Let's spread it over the top. All right, so now that we got that on there, it's ready to go in the fridge. We're gonna put it in there for at least 4 hours or more to let it set. Should be ready to try. Ain't that right, baby girl? All right, also we've had it chilling for about 4 hours, and it's time to try this thing. Moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Y'all, if you're needing to make a dessert for anything coming up, try this. Trust me. It's like a light It's cool. Perfect like spring, summertime. Oh man. You got like a church potluck, you got a birthday party.